x over 6 minus 15 is equal to negative 18. What I have to do first, I have to move negative 15 to the right side. I have to eliminate every single term on the left side which has no x. So I'm going to move it to the right side. And I have x over 6 equals negative 18 plus 15. I have x over 6 equals negative 18 plus 15 is equal negative 3. Remember, from the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. Next, we have to eliminate fraction. In order to eliminate fraction, we're supposed to multiply always both sides of the equation by the denominator. That's why I multiply left side and right side by 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out, and you will have x equals negative 3 times 6 gives me negative 18. This is the solution to my problem. Let's verify if this is correct answer. Simply replace this x by negative 18. So I have negative 18 over 6 minus 15 has to be equal negative 18. Negative 18 divided by 6 gives me negative 3. Negative divided by invisible positive is negative. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Minus 15 is equal negative 18. Take a look. We have no parentheses. So we simply add the numbers and keep the sign. Don't confuse with the multiplication. We have to add the numbers and keep the sign anytime we have no parentheses around, okay? So we have minus 18 equals negative 18. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I do not have c next to 27. That's why I'm going to move negative 27 to the right side of my equal sign. And I have 4c equals negative 31 plus 27. I have 4c equals, I have to add negative number to positive. Anytime you have a situation like this, remember you have to subtract from the bigger number, smaller number, and keep the sign which is next to larger number. 31 minus 27 is equal 4, and I'm supposed to keep the sign which is next to the larger number is minus 4. I have to find value of c. This time I have multiplication. In order to eliminate multiplication, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to c. I'm doing that because I want to separate c from 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and I have c equals negative divided by positive gives me negative. 4 divided by 4 is equal 1. This is the solution to my problem. Let's check if this is correct answer. I have to replace this c by negative 1. And I'm going to have 4 times negative 1 minus 27 is equal negative 31. 4 times negative 1 gives me negative 4 minus 27 is equal negative 31. Negative 4 and negative 27, remember we have to add them up and keep the sign, is going to be negative 31 equals negative 31. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why this is correct answer to my problem.